A woman in Cape Coral afraid she might have the coronavirus. Thanks for joining us on Fox 4 News at 6. I'm Jane Monreal. Patrick Nolan is off tonight. The woman says she got sick after an international cruise, and she says her husband has gotten sick too. So far, no one she's reached out to has been willing to test her for COVID-19. Fox 4 in your corner's Rob Manch outside the hospital in Fort Myers where she reported the illness to doctors. Rob?
Grace Obradovic tells me she came here to the Health Park Medical Center weeks ago when her symptoms first got bad. But she says when she told doctors she wanted to be tested for the coronavirus, they told her to just go home and get some rest.
And how do you get any care otherwise?
Grace Obradovic had a hard time getting through her FaceTime interview. She says she's told doctors about her symptoms and she's told the health department, but she still doesn't know what it is.
I had a chest x-ray done, which was negative for pneumonia. I had a nasal swab that was negative for both flu strains.
What she wasn't tested for was COVID-19, the disease brought on by the coronavirus. The Florida Department of Health says anyone who's been on an international cruise in the last 2 weeks and is showing symptoms should be tested. But Obradovic got off her cruise to Central America just over 2 weeks ago on February 15th. Since then, she says others have reported getting sick too.
And there's quite a few people that in the thread that say they got sick on the same cruise.
That thread on Facebook shows people who traveled on the Norwegian Escape cruise saying they've come down with some kind of virus. On Norwegian's website, it says the company is testing people's temperatures before they get on, but Obradovic says that didn't happen to her.
As we're standing in line with people coughing, and they said they would be checking everybody, nothing was done. There were no temperatures taken, like they said.
With all this information, I asked Lee Health why Obradovic wasn't tested. I was told it's not their call. They only can test people approved by the Florida Health Department. Obradovic reported her case there, but no one has ever reached out.
Why can't you just get tested once you've been on a cruise? Why are they so selective?
Governor DeSantis said in a news conference Friday, it's not because of a lack of tests.
Right now, the testing capacity is being met in terms of what's been requested.
At this point, it's been almost a month since her first symptoms. Obradovic even passed the virus to her husband, and now they're both voluntarily isolating themselves inside their house. But she says she's worried about the people who aren't.
How many people are walking around our area right now that don't know and that aren't taking it seriously?
And I did reach out to the Florida Department of Health and Norwegian Cruise Line, but just like Obradovic, I didn't hear back. In Fort Myers, Rob Manch, Fox 4, in your corner.